Welcome back, Class 4. This is our last session of Chapter 5, How Do You Feel? In previous two sessions, we learned about health and hygiene and an appropriate routine one should have. In today's session, we are going to focus on our mental health. That means we are going to learn that we have to be mentally strong in all adverse situations. And this we are going to learn through a beautiful poem. So let's start. Name of the poem is Try Again. Let's read the first stanza. It is a lesson you should heed. Try, try, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try, try, try again. Here, the first word of the poem is apostrophe T. We have to read it as it, as it is a short form. The word heed means to listen to or to pay attention to. That means the poet is saying that it is a lesson that we all should listen to. Now, which lesson the poet is talking about? Yes, try, try, try again. If at first you don't succeed, that means even if you don't get success, don't lose hopes and keep trying. Once or twice, though you may fail, try again. Sure, you would at last prevail. Try again. That means sometimes we can't achieve our goal, and sometimes it's even harder to achieve what we have decided. But if a person tries hard, he will surely reach his goal. Here, the word prevail means win. Let's read further. If we strive, it is no disgrace. Strive means to work hard, and disgrace means shame. Though we may not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try again. The poet says that if you don't win after working hard, don't be ashamed of yourself. In this situation also, you have to keep trying without losing hopes. If you find your task is hard, try again. That means if you find that your work is very difficult, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folks can do with your patience, should not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. The poet explains that if other people can keep patience, why can't you? Even you can keep calm and continue trying. You have to keep only this rule in mind. The poet says that great people don't become great easily. It requires lot of time and patience. It takes time to learn, to experiment, and to succeed. This poem is written by anonymous, means the name of the poet is not known. So here the little poem gives us a big lesson. We should not be afraid of failures in life. Failure is actually a good teacher. It will lead you to success. The only way to be successful is to try, try, and try. If you don't give up, one day you will be successful. Now, after reading the poem, students, you can find out the rhyming words from it. So, here is an activity number 8A. You know that heed rhymes with succeed. Now, find all the rhyming words and list them. Here, stanza wise, you have to find out the rhyming words. In stanza 2, the words fail and prevail are rhyming. In stanza 3, the words disgrace, race, and case are rhyming. In stanza 4, there are no rhyming words. And in stanza 5, the rhyming words are do, you, and view. Now, let's have a quick look at some of the new words from the poem. 1. Heed. 2. Succeed. 3. Twice. 4. Prevail. 5. Strive. 6. Disgrace. 7. Task. 8. Reward. 9. Folks. 10. Patience. Now, these are the word meanings which you have to write in your notebook. Number 1. To heed means to listen to or to pay attention to. 2. To prevail means to win. 3. To strive means to work hard. 4. Disgrace means shame. 5. Task means work. 6. Hard means difficult. 7. Reward means prize. 8. Folks means people. 9. In view means in mind. 10. Anonymous means poet is not known. Now, moving on to activity number 9. Here, we will talk about how physical exercise can help us to maintain good health. Here are 10 reasons given for why should we do exercise. Let's read them. Physical exercise makes you feel fit, healthy, and strong. It relaxes your brain. It keeps your weight down. You sleep better. Your body gets stronger and healthier. You have more energy to do other things. You look in good shape. You can control your anger and negative feelings. You become positive and you never fall ill. So, these are the reasons which explain us that how important physical exercise is. Now, again, coming back to the topic of routine. Do you know, children? Good health and regular routine have a deep connection. So, here is a textual exercise where you have to write 5 sentences about your routine and your friend's routine. One example is given to you. I get up at 6 a.m. Suresh gets up at 5:30 a.m. Now, children, you can use your friend's name and make sentences like this. Number 1. I eat my breakfast at 7 a.m. Sonal eats her breakfast at 7:30 a.m. 2. I go to school at 7:30 a.m. Sonal goes to school at 7:45 a.m. Number 3. I take my lunch at 1:30 p.m. Sonal takes her lunch at 2 p.m. Number 4. I go to play at 5 p.m. Sonal goes to play at 6 p.m. Number 5. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Sonal goes to bed at 10 p.m. So here we end all our textual exercises from this chapter. Now it's time for homework. Now this is your homework. You have to write a paragraph describing your ideal routine. That means what is the perfect routine that you want to follow. Try to write this on your own in your notebook. One more simple homework is activity 10. Here some pictures are given. You have to write one line each for each picture. For example, for the first picture, I would write a line as the alarm clock is ringing. Then for second picture, I can write the boy gets up from his bed. This way you try to make the sentences. Here I end our today's session and our chapter 5 gets over here. I hope after reading this lesson you all are motivated to stay fit and healthy. Do take good care of yourself. Enjoy learning. Thank you.